Hey guys, Kath here! So excited to share with you how I achieve my easy everyday makeup look using my KathXHappySkin collection. Worked super hard to develop, test, and create all of these products to come up with things that can work for everyone. I like to start with a Stay Fresh Weightless Pressed Powder. Medium is my shade, but look for the one closest to yours. I don't really like my powder looking too thick, so I really love how this pressed powder blends into my natural skin tone. Even when you have blemishes, they get covered up and you stay shine-free all day. Next, my Perfect Brows Long-Lasting Liquid Pen. Syempre, hindi kumpleto ang look kung walang kilay. The best part about this brow pen is the universal brown color, and it's so easy to use. You can mimic brow strands so it looks really natural. Plus, it stays on all day, even if I work out. I'm so picky when it comes to mascara. I want my lashes to still look natural, even when I have mascara on. Even without eyeshadow, this mascara can save my look by adding more life to my lashes. That's why I made sure that this extra drama volumizing mascara gives dramatic, clump-free lashes that still look natural. See the difference? Even at the end of my day, my lashes still look good and stay curled. And now, for my favorite makeup product, tints! My go-to shade is the Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint in Prim. Here's my tip when using tints. Make sure to blend when you apply for a natural finish. I do the same for my cheeks to get a natural flush. As you can see, it doesn't blotch even when used on top of powder. How many tints can do that? That's it! No secrets, just good skin, everyday makeup. Simple is beautiful. Don't forget to tag me and Happy Skin when you share your own everyday makeup look using Generation Happy Skin products. I can't wait to see the KathXHappySkin products in your makeup kit. Much love, Kath.